is also half AB. And R is half C squared. Half C squared because the base is C and the height is C as well. So we have half C squared. So if you multiply by 2 on both sides of the equation, multiply by 2 right throughout, what are we left with? We are left with AB, A plus B equals I'm sorry, there has to be an A here. Equals AB plus AB plus C squared, right? And if you multiply this out, you get A squared, right? Plus 2AB plus B squared. If you follow this thing out, that's what you'll get. So these two ABs cancel, right? And those cancel as well. And as you can tell, we have A squared plus B squared right over there. A squared plus B squared